In this video, I'm talking about the top 5 things I love about old historic homes in Wyomissing, Pennsylvania, and the small details that most people don't realize about how to maintain them. I'm Kate Murray, luxury real estate agent and design advisor, sharing the best homes, niche neighborhoods, and lifestyle right here in Wyomissing, Pennsylvania, and our surrounding suburbs of Reading. Starting off with number 5, the butler's door with a push plate.
In the grand estates of yesteryear, the swinging butler's door served as the discretion between two distinct worlds: the bustling kitchen staff and the serene candlelit elegance of the formal dining room.
Number 4, the volute wood banister and railing.
In the architecture of the early 1900s, the entry hall was engineered to deliver a definitive first impression, and the staircase was its crowning centerpiece.
Coming in at number 3, the pegged plank oak hardwood floors.
These floors offer a rustic 19th century aesthetic with added character, commonly featuring wide planks and contrasting wood plugs. In the distinguished residences of the early 20th century, a floor was not merely a surface to be walked upon. It was a testament to the architectural longevity and quiet prosperity.
If you have a slate roof and you've ever had a roof leak, you totally understand this one. I have a 100-year-old slate roof, and it's not the slates that are the problem. It's everything else.
High above the manicured lawns of the early 20th century estates rests the slate roof, an architectural crown designed not for decades, but for centuries. Except when you experience the catastrophic degradation of the framing underneath when the copper valleys and junctions intersect.
And finally, coming in at number 1,
the deep windowsills. Interestingly, there's about 16 inches of space in between the outer stone and the inner plaster wall. And ironically, or maybe not, houses of this age do not have any insulation whatsoever in between the walls, unless there was a renovation done.
The not so obvious love-hate relationship with windows and windowsills in an old historic house: exterior maintenance. Don't get me wrong, you can cover them with vinyl, but I'm not having it, I'm not doing it, and I never will. Not a fan of covering the wood with vinyl.
It was hard to narrow the list because there's so much more to explore. So if you enjoyed this quick rundown of historic charm, be sure to click that subscribe button so you don't miss out when I post even more hyper-local detail about living in and around Wyo and the suburbs of Reading.
Whether you're selling locally or coordinating virtually from out of state, I'm here to help with every detail so that you can get the outcome that you need to achieve. If you want to get in touch, all my contact information is in the description below. Otherwise, see you next time.